Hello students, today we will do exercise 7.3 in which we will do questions which are totally based on 5 congruency rule. As you know that 5 congruency rules are angle, side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, angle, side, and all the sides, and last one is RHS, that means right angle, hypotenuse and a side. So let's start our exercise. In first question you are given ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means in which two sides are equal. So in this question AB is equal to AC. This is given in the statement. We have to show two parts in this question. First is AD bisect BC. That means we have to show that this AD which is perpendicular on BC bisect BC means it divide the line segment BC into two equal parts. And next one is AD bisect angle A. That means this line AD also bisect this angle A. So for this purpose we will show that these two triangles are congruent. So let's start our solution. First of all, write the name of two triangles. First one is ABD and second one is ACD. Now find out three terms which are equal. AB is equal to AC because this is given in the question, because ABC is an isosceles triangle. Second one is, here we have 90-degree angle. So we can say, if we consider this angle 1 and angle 2, so we can say that angle 1 is angle 2, reason is each is equal to 90 degree. Third one is AD side is common in both of the triangle, so we can say that AD is equal to AD, which is common. So here we have three terms. Now find out which rule followed here. First one is AB, second one is angle 90 degree, and third one is a side. So check it out, either here is RHS rule or not. RHS rule means right angle and a hypotenuse and a side. And here we have also one 90-degree angle, and this is hypotenuse and this is side. So we can say that by RHS rule, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts also be equal. So we can say that AD bisect BC means BD is equal to DC. Also, if we consider here 3 and 4, then angle 3 is also equal to angle 4. And the reason behind this is CPCT in both of the conditions. So this is our question. Now let's do next question. In next question, you are given again an isosceles, a triangle in which figure is not given in the question, but statement is BE and CF are two altitude of a triangle. You have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. But one extra condition is given in this question, that you have to follow in this question an RHS rule. This is given in the statement that you have to follow RHS rule. So in statement you are given that from B and from C. Here we have two altitude BE and CF. Altitude means which make 90-degree angle with the base. That means if this is an altitude, then it make 90-degree angle with the base. So here we have 90-degree angle in both of the side. Also Now we have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So here we will consider two triangles. First of all, in solution, write down the name of the triangle which we will follow. We will prove congruence. First triangle is BCE and second one is CFB. Second one is CFB. We will show these two triangles are congruent. How can we show that? In these two triangles, BC side is common in both of the triangle. So we can say that BC is equal to BC, which is common. Next is, if we consider here 1 and 2, then we can say angle 1 is equal to 2 because each is equal to 90 degree. Third one is, you are given that BE and CF are two equal altitude. This is given in the statement that these two altitudes are equal. So we can say that altitude BE and CF are equal and reason is given. So here again we followed here rule RHS because R means right angle, that this is right angle. BC is hypotenuse. If this is 90 degree angle, then this is hypotenuse, and next one is a side. So we can say by RHS rule, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts are equal. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle C. If these two angles are equal, then we can say, as we know that if two angles are equal, then its two opposite sides are also equal. So we can say that AB is equal to AC, because opposite side of angle C is AB and opposite side of angle B is AC, then these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, then we can say that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Next question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is given in the question. Again, this is question of an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AP is altitude perpendicular on BC. You have to show that angle B is equal to angle C. If any figure, if you have to show any two terms equal, for this purpose, just show two triangle included these terms to congruent. If we proved these two triangles are congruent, then its all the parts will be equal by CP/CT. If you have to show that B is equal to C, just prove these two triangles congruent. So first of all, write the name of the triangle. Now find out three terms which will be equal. AB is equal to AC. This is given. Next is, if we consider here angle 1 and 2, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because each is 90 degree. Third is AP is equal to AP because this is common. Now check out which rule we followed here. This is 90 degree angle and this is hypotenuse and this is one side. So we can say that by RHS rule, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then its remaining parts will be equal by CP/CT.